Hello, dear Virgo. Welcome to my channel, and this is your last week reading plus first week reading. So, last week of July plus August first week. This is going to be a love plus career reading. So, if you have any questions on your mind, please think about them and then watch this reading. Probably you'll get all your answers. If not, the personal reading is always available. So, let's begin. In your career, you've got the Cardinal card and the Three of Suns. I do see that you're planning to take a risk. It can be investment, it can be a change of job or career altogether, starting a new business. And probably everyone is advising you to not take it, it's too risky and stuff like that. But let me tell you, this is the right time to take a risk. This is the right time to make that move or make that change because the Three of Suns is here. Now, this is a card of new beginnings. This is a card of new direction, which means where you are right now, probably that is not really good for you, which means you're not going to get a lot of growth in your current field or in your current job or business. So if you're looking to change something, this is a perfect time. If you're very happy, that's very good. Okay. But if you're not, and if you really want to take some risk, expand your business or invest in stocks, try something new, that this is a very good card for you. I also see that this newness that is around you, this new opportunity that is presenting itself to you is going to give you a lot of happiness and success as well. So go for it. If you were stuck in that decision, if you wanted this confirmation, this is your confirmation to go ahead. Now let's see what's happening in your love life. You've got the Eight of Spades and the Justice card, which is also an 8 number. So if you are watching or you see 8 a lot, this reading is for you. In your love relationships, I do see that you're overthinking. Okay. Probably if somebody has hurt you or betrayed your trust or used you in some way, justice card is here, which means justice will be done. People who have used you, betrayed you, hurt you on purpose, they are going to get their karma for sure. And roles can be reversed at any time. So if this is you, you would be getting your karma in the last week or first week of August. I also see that your partner, if you're already in relationship or uh, marriage, I do see that your partner is your karmic partner, which means you both have a lot of karma from past lives, which you have come in this life to resolve, right? Whether that's to hurt each other, whether that's to help each other evolve, that depends on your own karma. But yes, this looks like a very karmic relationship to me, and that is why sometimes it can feel a little bit challenging as well. So please understand that not all relationships are smooth. Sometimes some people come in our life to, help us grow or to hurt us because we have hurt them in the past life as well. And if someone is doing something on purpose, right? So they will automatically get their karma. Now, if you were planning to take a revenge on someone, this is also a confirmation for you to not take that revenge. Okay. I know we all feel like taking a revenge from someone who has hurt us, but justice is there. Justice will be served. You don't really have to do anything. You can just sit, wait, and watch, and you can see that you will get to hear a news or something about them that they are suffering from something, whether that's financial loss, health loss, something or the other, or they're mentally not in the right space, right? Karma will do its job, it will take their revenge. You don't have to get into all that messy thing of vengeance. And you will also notice that the way karma has planned things will be much better than the way you have planned. Okay. So please leave some things to destiny in your love relationships, whether that's friendships, family, relatives. If someone has done you bad, they will get the karma. Okay, don't worry about that. So yes, I would say that this is a very good week for you guys. So if you want to claim this powerful reading, please comment I claim this reading. And if you still have any questions, any doubts in your mind, you can always book a personal reading with me. I take personal readings, I do rituals, and I also take counseling sessions. If you need that therapy, if you need a one-on-one conversation, audio, video calls are also available. Please check out the description box. I have a host of services available, including packages. My services are very, very budgeted prices. Okay. All my packages where you can ask more than one question, like where there are already set of very frequently asked questions, is under rupees 1000, which includes a free blockage removal ritual as well. Yes, it comes with a free remedy, but you only have one question, then you can always go for one question, one personal question, where you can ask a question of your choice and it starts at 215 rupees only. So yes, it's very budgeted and very powerful, and as you can see, it's very accurate as well. So if you guys resonated with this reading, if you guys like this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. To make any bookings, you can either DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot, and I will also be posting the prices almost on a daily basis over there. So please follow me over there. And also you can email me, which is mentioned in the description box and my bio. So yes, this was your weekly reading. Have a nice week. Take care of yourself, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.